Do you want to go out? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? You want to go for a walk? Oh, oh my God. You want to go for a walk? Oh my God, relax. Just relax. Relax. So I'm actually headed to the city right now to take the dog to Central Park. It's about like 64 degrees outside, which is beautiful. So I want to take advantage of it because when I looked at the weather, the rest of the week is kind of shit. So whatever. So look forward to a bunch of videos of my dog in the park today. So I actually don't know what the rules are about bringing pets on the subway. But I have brought him before and it wasn't an issue because he's actually pretty good and he hides. I do bring a bag just in case I need to shove him in there. But I'm always awkward when I get on the train because I always think they're going to say something to me and I don't want to get a ticket for something so stupid like bringing my dog on the subway. How else am I supposed to get him anywhere else? Like, there are a bunch of police that are just hanging out in the train station, so I put Typhon in the bag.
To the 1 train.
It's much hotter than I thought it was going to be, and it's awesome. My dog is like loving it, though I think it's pretty hot because he's in a full coat. But no, he's smiling it up. He's walking ahead of me like he thinks he's awesome. He needs to relax. So I get really upset when people beg me for money, and then when of course I don't have any, they decide to insult me or be rude. Like, if I don't have it, I don't have it. Like, don't be an asshole about it. So whatever. I'm on the Upper West Side right now. I'm actually walking over to my friend Damon's who lives on 81st Street, I think. We're just gonna go get coffee and hang out in the park. Alright, so we're at my friend Damon's house. We're just waiting for him to come out and then we're gonna go to Central Park. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Typhon and I have taken a break. We've been walking a lot, but he's enjoying himself very much. Right, buddy? You enjoying yourself very much? Yeah? Have kisses? Give me kisses. I get the kisses from the dog. It's awesome. So there's a commercial or something being filmed.
Ben değil. Sen hak ediyorsun esas. Olmasaydın yaşamaya değer bir hayatım olmaz. Bir değilse anlayamadım.
So the one thing I love about New York is that there's always live music or some artist out in the street, and it's always pretty cool. Ass music that's being played in the park, there's also this cool ass bubble situation going on. What? I want bubbles. Pizzeria on 64th and Broadway, which is an outdoor like cafe, but they have wine and all this other stuff. I used to work here, but not anymore. And I ran into some old regulars. Robert Telly, who's always on the phone with Italy. And of course I'm hanging out with Damon still. So Kaifin's not allowed in the store. So he has to sit outside, but he's been watching me like a hawk. Super cute though. What's up? What's up? Can I get kisses? It's my child. It's nighttime now. I'm done. I'm pretty exhausted, so I'm actually gonna head home now. So thanks for following me today. That was awesome. You had a good time. You better be pooped out when we get home. After a long day in Central Park today, we're finally home. As you can see, little man is pooped and he's fast asleep, which is super cute. But that concludes this video. If you liked the video, definitely give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.